For today's PE, we're going to be doing our preposition test. Right? And I will show you on the screen a list of prepositions. And we're going to go over 10 of those today. Right? So I'm going to walk around and give you a couple examples of the prepositions. Then we're going to go over the equipment that you're going to need, and then we will do the lesson. Okay, so I'm going to walk around and I'm going to find a few examples of words in, on, over, under, beside, between, behind, against, above, and around. Okay, the chicken that's laying down is between the other two chickens. So there is one on each side. It's between. Alright, and the quails are going inside their home. There goes, one goes inside. Alright, the goats are beside each other. The little girl is behind the boy's head. So we have next to and behind. Alright, there's a chicken on the ramp. He's on top of the ramp. And that chicken is going under the ramp. On top. And the black one goes under the ramp. Okay, the bunny is against the cage. He is on top of the leaves. On the leaves, but leaning against the cage. Hey, buddy. Alright, and the cat is leaning against her toy fish. Now she's over the fish. Alright, here's the lesson equipment for the day. So, the first thing is a pot. The pot doesn't show up in the video, so I'm using a batter bowl because of the bright color. 2 shoes. A bottle of anything, a piece of mail, a can, and a chair. So chair, can, mail, pot, shoes, bottle. Alright, then you're also going to need 3 socks. 1, 2, 3. Rolled up into little balls. 3 socks. Alright, so you can pause it here and gather up that equipment. And again, this is a test. We're going to try our first test. The first 4 words that we're going to go over are in, then we're going to go on. I'm going to put the sock on the chair. Then over, goes over the chair. Then under. So the first 4 words, in, on, over, under. Okay, now you try. Put the sock in the shoe. Next, you're going to put it on the can. On the can. Next is over. So I threw it over the pot. And then we have to go under. The easiest thing to go under is the chair. So go under the chair. So the sock is under the chair. Alright, I'm going to sit and we're going to go over those 4 terms. So first, you're going to put the sock in the pot. Go ahead, put the sock in the pot. Then, you're going to put a sock on the piece of mail. Alright, so there's the sock in the pot. Should look like that. And then the sock on the mail should look like that. Okay, and then we have over and under. I'm going to put the sock under the can. But to do that, I have to put the can over the sock. So the can is on the sock. Next, we're going to go to beside, between, and behind. Okay, I'm going to stand beside the shoe. And beside the chair. And beside the mail. Now I'm between the shoes. See, two shoes and I'm between them. I am between the pot and the chair. And over here, I am between the bottle and the mail. So I'm going to take the sock and put it beside the shoe. The next sock will go between the shoe, and you can do this along with me. Sock between the shoes. And then the next sock will have to go behind the shoe. And the third level are all words that start with A. I'm going to put a sock against the shoe, which is just like being next to it, but it's touching. Against, then above. So I can put it on top of the shoe, it's above the shoe, or I can hold it above the shoe. So above. And then there's around. I can put it around the shoe, or I can take it and run around the shoe. I'm going to clean these up, and then it's your turn. Alright, put the sock in the pot. Put a sock on a shoe. Roll a sock over the mail. And then pick it up and roll it under the chair. In, on, over, under.
Alright.
Okay, we're going to do the real test now. And we're going to go over all 10 words one try. Alright, so in the shoe, we got on or over. Can do under. We're going to go over beside. So I'm going to stand beside the chair. Then we got to go between. Behind. I'm going to stand behind the chair. Alright. And the next word, I'm going to go around the chair, or the shoes. And my foot is above the pot. And the last one will be against. So I'm going to lean against the chair. Alright, we're going to do all 10 words in one try. Alright, I'm going to go fast. If you need to pause, go ahead. First, we're going in the pot. Put a sock in the pot. Put a sock on the can. Roll a sock over the mail. And roll a sock under the chair. So that's 4. Okay, put a sock beside the bottle. Then between the shoes. And behind the can. Alright, lean a sock against the bottle. Put a sock above the can. And can you hold the sock and run around the shoes?